Hello guys, this is Uno once again signing in YouTube. It's already 8:43 AM in the Philippines, and I want to teach you another tutorial on Uno tutorial. The title of my tutorial is this: Uno tutorial how to use strong voice dominance and anti-boot with all its aspect in Yahoo Messenger. Uno style, okay? Let's do it. Strong and anti-boot and busy dominance, and I want to show you. Of course, you have to download Strong, then run it, and after you run it, it will automatically attach to Yahoo Messenger, and that's it. Now, first you must open Yahoo Messenger. Okay, first you must download Strong, then run it, and it will automatically attach to Yahoo Messenger, and that's all. Okay, it will create a desktop shortcut. Just wait, and there it goes. Now, what you want to do is put in your ID. I will put in. First you must click in Strong, okay? Double click also Strong, okay? Click in. Okay. To Yahoo Messengers. Here. Put in your IDs. Click in sign in. Sorry, I do have a cold today. And it says connected to Yahoo Messenger. Okay, here. There it goes. Okay. Click on Yahoo Messenger, then click in Strong. Oh, wait. You must first click Strong first. Okay. Click first Strong, and Yahoo Messenger will automatically open. Okay. Exit this one. You must first click Strong, and when you do click Strong, Yahoo Messenger will automatically open. This code is killing me. Okay. Okay. Medical tip: you do have code, treat it immediately, or you will end up just like me. Okay. Let's go to room and Yahoo chat. Join room. Let's go to Metro Manila Barkada. Example 9. Go to room. Enter chat. Type in the captcha. 5L SNP CFR and I did 5L SNP CFR. Click on submit, and there it goes. We'll have an access in the room. Now let's just wait. It will do have a BC. Let's just wait. Okay. Now, here, click in Strong. Okay. Go to properties. Okay. You must log in. You must click voice dominance. Okay. And click enable invite report conference. You may click in limit to add requests if you want to. You must click disable buses. You can see suplado fuck ignore by one. It will this one will open into something's being ignored in the room.